vlog. My sister's going to be doing snoring and dancing today. And yeah. So she's just getting hand sanitizer. Let's just dance. Okay, she's done. Ready?
Let me rub it in.
Start doing it. Start doing the dance. Ready? Snore! When you say snore, you have to go down and you have to sleep. Wake up!
And then it goes stomp your feet.
Woo! Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet.
Get it down.
Stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Not snore. Not s'more. Wake up. Go back by the stairs a little.
I'm late for school. And
I'm late for school. Now snore.
Lily, now the snoring thing is very loud and very long.
Okay, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe and like our channel. And like our channel.